Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we have another pronunciation request, and it's for two words. One's 5 letters, one's 4 letters, but they're oh so tricky in pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's take a look. Come on. Our first word is S-I-N-C-E. Since. Since. The C and the E make a S sound because the E makes the C soft. Since. What does since mean? Since is 3 different parts of speech. 3. I know. Big job for a little word. Since the preposition. In the time after. Since I last saw you, things have changed. Okay. Adverb between then and now. She's been running since 4 a.m. Like between then and now, since 4 a.m. to now, she's been running. Adverb. Conjunction because. Since you're having trouble with these 2 words, I decided to make a video. Oh, because you've been having trouble with these 2 words. Got it. Then, S-I-N-S, sins. Sins. Sins is plural for sin. Sin. What sins? What sin? Sin is an immoral act. So the plural, sins, we make this Z sound there. Sins are immoral acts. Oh, okay. Don't do immoral acts. Let's review. Since, meaning in the time after, that's a preposition. Since, the adverb between then and now. Since, the conjunction, meaning because. Okay, then we have S-I-N-S, the plural of the noun sin. It's pronounced sins. Got a little Z on there. Sins. And those are immoral acts. Oh, got it. Why does English have 2 words that are oh so close in pronunciation and oh so different in meaning and uses? I don't know, but now you can read, pronounce, and understand this sentence, I hope. Since confessing his sins, Bill feels a lot better. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with since or sins? You can. Since you can, leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.